Good day. Will you please introduce yourselves?
Good day, sir, madam. I am Aida Dulce of Upper Tumapo, Corbus, La Union, 30 years old, married, having one son.
Okay, tell me about your working experience.
I work as a domestic helper and to Mr. and Mrs. Abdul Rahman Al Sulaite in Qatar.
Okay, since you are in Qatar, how many children did you take care?
There were 4 children,
How old are they?
24, 20, 18, and 16.
Okay, how will you take care of their children?
I will give them food, taking care of their dress,
What else?
give them medicine.
Okay, are you willing to take care of an elderly person?
Yes, madam.
Okay, how will you take care of an elderly person?
I will taking them by giving them food, medicine.
Okay, do you know how to cook?
Yes, madam. I know how to cook a Filipino food like tinola, sinigang, and adobo.
Okay, what about a simple Chinese food?
Yes, madam. I cook Chinese food like fried rice, steamed fish, and noodles.
Okay, since you found something like money inside the pocket while washing your employer's clothes, or you found jewelry while cleaning the house, what will you do?
I will get it back to them, madam.
Okay, how will you win the trust of your employer?
I will win the trust of my employer by being honest and obedient.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I'd like to work in Hong Kong because of higher salary and to help my parents.
Okay, if you were given a chance to work in Hong Kong, what would you like to say something to your prospective employer?
Sir, madam, if you will give me an opportunity to work in Hong Kong, I will do my duties and responsibilities well, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.